Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove view only in Google Sheets. Let's get started by open one of your document in Google Sheets by using this Google Chrome. So if you regularly work with this Google Sheets, you have to share this file or document with your a team or your friend in the workplace. You can do it. Just open one of your project. This is for example. So you want to edit this file or sheets with your friend. The daily schedule. So please be wait. It's take too long to load. I'm sorry. So for example, this one. You want to my friend a edit or fill this blank row or blank cells. Just tap share button here, click the share button, and just one of your friends here, for example, and make sure you check this editor, not viewer. If you check the viewer, your friend cannot edit this schedule, this file, or the commenter. Your friend can only view and comment, not edit the files. So make sure you check this editor. After that, you can send this invitation or send this file to your friend. And of course, you can share the link. You can copy the link and share with using another program, another software. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.